Hi, baby. No. Go in the toilet. So, this is our new little girl. Her name we don't know, because I don't know how to name her. She's got brown eyes. She's 10 weeks old, and she's not fixed yet, but we will fix her. She's staying in the bathroom tonight, so she knows our food and stuff, and she keeps following me for some reason. My mom found her over Facebook, and, well, she got to a liking. She doesn't like my mom. She likes me. Oh, there she goes meowing. Come on. You got food. Food's right there. No, it's the garbage. You're silly. You're one silly kitten. Oh, I just remembered. I know you want to get out, buddy, but you gotta go over here for a second. Stay there. I'm gonna go get that kitty toy I need. I forgot about the kitty toy, Ma. So you can play with that for half an hour. Hi, kitty. No. No. Okay. What is this? What's this? What's this? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my God, you stand up awesomely. Do that again. Come on. Do it again. Oh. Oh, she doesn't care anymore. She likes string on. Oh. Our new cat knows how to do tricks. Sort of. Here, Kitty, let me tie this up for you. Cat butt! Tie this over the edge, tie this with that. Put the head there. There you go. I got some string to play with. Here, get down on the floor. She doesn't like being picked up, really. She looks like she loves to play. No, she likes the fuzzy thing. Okay, let me untie this then. Oops, my bad. Whoops, 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 whoops. Oh my God, there's freaking shit everywhere. Okay. I can tie this with one hand. No, I can't. Kitty, stop playing with it. Okay. Tie. Looks like she likes it. So, our cat knows how to do tricks, I guess. She can stand up on 2 feet, I guess. And she's very cute. I actually don't know the exact gender, but I think it's female. She knows how to jump. She's very small, and she's petite. Her food's over there behind the toilet. She's energetic. Yeah, don't go between the cards, God. Hey. Hey. You're pretty. She got an itty bitty tail. She got a little daughter now. I got a daughter. Oh, there she goes. She's climbing now. Climb onto the sink. Get on the sink. Don't pee on the toilet. Oh. Oh. Don't get up there, buddy. That's not a good idea. Yeah, it's a camera, bud. Get on the sink. Oh. You just wanted toward the camera, huh? Yeah. You're pretty. Oh. Yeah, it's my... Oh my God, you are really weird. You're a very weird cat. What are you doing to my foot? Rrr. Rrr. No, she's cute. Yeah, she's a girl. Gotta be. When I first met Psycho, he was a guy. 'Cause you could tell. because of little puff balls, and this one's got a line, so she thinks she can get through the crack on the door. She's too funny. Yum, 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 yum. Yum. Oh, she's so cute. We're thinking about calling her Night or Nightmare. I'm thinking Night. Oh, she's in the darkness now. You really want to take a shower? Well, she likes me, I guess. She calls her my mom. So. This has been cosplaying as Girl Suck Good. And me,